Why do I feel it's important that we as UD Trucks support this Ageo City Marathon? For UD Trucks I run as well, because it's a great event to see all these colleagues here and what the company is doing for the society. This is a big event for Ageo City, so it's amazing to see how the city lives up, and personally I live in Ageo, so I really enjoy this event.
今年は初めてなので5キロ挑戦しようと思います。日頃から筋トレと軽い有酸素運動をしているので、いつも通りのコンディションで挑めるように準備してきました。自分の健康維持や体力アップっていう向上もあるんですけど、ランニングを通じて最後にも走り切った時の達成感が自分のモチベーションだったり自己肯定感を引き上げてくれる原動力として日頃から使っているので、マラソンを通じて仕事もプライベートも頑張りたいと思っています。
Going extra mile means putting extra effort everywhere. Even when it's at work or even while running today, I try to put my extra effort and I challenge myself every day. Just like our UD truck is challenging the world, I'm challenging myself.
I just finished the 21 kilometer. It's my second time now after the 3 years ago. I have to say I'm quite happy with the result. I managed to finish, so it was really good, very good race. Yes. If I compare half marathon and working, actually we have this spirit of going the extra mile, and this is really what we are doing with this half marathon. We never give up, and we keep going until we reach our objective, or even we go further.